Hi guys, welcome to Erin's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making some party-friendly appetizers that are always nut-friendly and crowd pleasers for sure. Stay tuned as we get into the recipes for both buffalo chicken dip and gourmet pigs in a blanket. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, I've got some of our ingredients ready for our meal, as you can see behind me. First off, we're gonna need some Frank's Red Hot. This is the best Red Hot. I love hot sauce, so anything spicy, but Frank's we're gonna use for this recipe. Some cream cheese. If you use the 1/3 less fat, it can make this recipe a little healthier. We're also gonna use some Greek yogurt. I have the 0% fat, so again, a little healthier dip choice for today. You can also replace it with sour cream, but Greek yogurt has more protein, so go that route. Additionally, we're gonna use some part skim mozzarella cheese. Also saving on those cows, but still gonna be a great buffalo chicken recipe. And if you have chicken at home and you made some or you have leftovers, feel free to use those. But to make this even simpler, I picked up a rotisserie chicken already cooked from the store. So that's gonna be my go-to. Just shred and peel it and add it to the recipe as we go. So first you're gonna have to get a big mixing bowl. So I'm gonna pull that out from one of my kitchen drawers. We're gonna start combining all the ingredients. Okay, we have all our ingredients ready on the counter. So first we'll start with the cream cheese. We'll open that package and get it ready to put in our mixing bowl to melt it so it's softened. And that'll go in the microwave for about 20 to 30 seconds. Just test it to make sure it doesn't get too liquid. Once the cream cheese is softened, use your spatula to mix it in the mixing bowl and break it apart so it's ready for the next ingredients. Then we will mix it again so that all of the cheese is incorporated with the cream cheese mixture. Once mixed, we're going to get our next ingredient, which is our rotisserie chicken, and we're going to shred that up. So I just get a separate bowl, and I pulled apart some of the chicken breast meat. If you like dark meat, you can use that too, and add your Frank's Red Hot. Add as much as you want. I like spicy food, so I went a little heavy on the Red Hot. If you have friends or family that don't like spicy food, sparingly add the Frank's Red Hot. And last but not least is the Greek yogurt mixture. We're going to use half a container. I like Greek yogurt instead of sour cream because it adds a little more protein to the mix and still gives you the same consistency. Once the Greek yogurt is mixed in, add the remaining half package of the shredded mozzarella cheese into the mixture, and then we will put it into our last pan to bake in the oven. Any pan will do, a casserole dish, baking sheet, and you want to pan the pan and add your buffalo chicken dip mixture into the pan after so it doesn't stick. And spread it evenly so that the layer is even. Go to your oven, preheat it to 350. I just added it right in and let the oven warm up with the mixture inside. It cooks fine that way. Set the timer for 25 minutes and you're ready to go. Okay guys, we're ready for recipe number 2. So we have the buffalo chicken dip in the oven right now and that's cooking. We're going to start on recipe number 2, which is our gourmet Franks. One secret ingredient that we'll get to later. We're gonna need 2 packages of crescent rolls. There's 8 rolls in a package. So we're gonna cut each in half and then we're gonna use our Little Smokies, Hillshire Farms, or whatever brand you can find to roll those into the blanket, and we'll put everything but the bagel seasoning on top, and that's just what makes it pop. So let's get cooking. Okay, for recipe 2, we have our crescent rolls and our Hillshire Farms Franks ready to go. So first I'm going to start by opening the packaging. Got my cutting board and my knife ready for prep. So pop open the crescent tabs and roll out the pastry dough. I chose the 90 calorie. That is a little bit on the healthier side than the regular crescent rolls, but any kind you find will do the trick for this recipe. Next, you want to unroll the crescent dough so that all the perforated edges fit onto your cutting board. And separate those off so that you have the triangles ready to go. I get my paring knife and I cut each triangle that's already pre-cut in half. So that means 1 triangle per Frank's hot dog. Start at the larger side of the triangle and roll it inward towards the skinniest end. And just repeat, cutting each triangle in half and rolling with a Frank's hot dog until you've completed use of all of the triangles. Make as many as you want. If you only want to use 1 crescent roll package, that's fine too. Ended up using the whole package and most of the Franks. If you have any Franks left over, you could put those right into the air fryer without a crescent roll, and those cook great. First, I took about a tablespoon of butter, melted it in the microwave for 30 seconds till it was melted, and I just drizzled the butter over on top of the Franks. This is going to allow the secret ingredient to stick and adhere. So I used some everything but the bagel seasoning. Any brand will do. I have McCormick. Apply some Pam and put the Gourmet Franks evenly spaced in the air fryer. They do puff up a bit. Okay guys, both apps are done, so now it's the tried and true taste test to see how it really came out. So first I think we're going to go with the buffalo chicken dip. You can either have some healthy options, so cut up some peppers, celery, mix it up, or you could go with the tried and true Tostitos chips. I think I'm going with chips. Dunking in, nice consistency. Very good. Spicy, not too spicy for anyone at the party that isn't into hot sauce. Okay guys, now it's time for Gourmet Franks. Taste test. Everything but the bagel seasoning really sets it off from just a normal Gourmet Frank. 10 out of 10. Pair with any mustard or dipping sauce that you like and serve it up for your family and friends. Thank you so much for enjoying the nut-free appetizers with Erin's Kitchen.